Hi, I'm Patrick, and this video is to tell you the best IIMs in India and their placements. So, IIMs are most sought after colleges, but what are the placements that they get? So, let's look at it. So, if you look at a top college like IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, their average packages are about 35. Median will be around 30 to 33. Average skews up mainly because the highest package is much higher, and that makes the average package higher. Median is the middle person. If you arrange all in ascending order, the middle person who gets is the median package, which is around 33, 32, around that package. Then you have I'm Lucknow, which is average is 30. Then you have the others. I am K, even I am Mumbai. I am Mumbai has a very high average package, though it's a comparatively new MBA, because Niti had a very good reputation, a good package. So it's only top 50%, obviously it will be slightly lower than that. It will be on par with IIM Indore, IIM Kozhikode in terms of packages. Then you IIM Shillong with 26.1 average package. So these are the top, you can say 8 IIMs as far as concerned. And post that you also have IIM, this is called a newer IIMs. So where the average package ranges from around 18 to 19 lakhs per annum. So if you look at Raipur, Ranchi, Trichy, Udaipur, Rohtak will be the newer IIMs. Amritsar will come in the baby IIM sort of a next set. This is only for top 25%. So actually the overall will be lesser than this. But yes, you can consider that top 13 IIMs as among the top IIMs which you can consider if you're looking at good placements and a good IIM to get into. The baby IIMs have just started some years back. It will take some time for it to pick up and the average package to go higher. So yes, if you're considering, this would give you a fair idea in terms of packages. Hope this helps. Now, why average package is important? Because the more the average package, the more the company is ready to pay you, the better profile they'll offer. So you tend to get a better work profile when you get a higher package. Anyway, thank you. I will come up with more videos that will help you. If you're interested, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.